And we're going to begin with this. The Trump administration proposing a controversial new rule that would allow faith-based adoption and foster organizations to deny their services to LGBTQ couples. This would be a rollback of a 2016 move by the Obama administration. Many religious groups support the change, but critics say it's a license for discrimination. Jan Crawford is in Washington. Jan, good morning. So tell us more about the reaction to this.
Well, gay rights groups say there's tens of thousands of foster children awaiting adoption, and the rule would make even fewer families available to them. But the White House maintains this isn't about preventing the LGBTQ community from adopting. It's about protecting religious organizations from having to choose between helping children and honoring their faith.
It was the most incredible gift that I could have received, and just want to give that to someone else.
As someone who was adopted, Carrie Ann Hamilton always knew she would do the same when it came time to expand her family. She and her partner LJ are in the early stages of the process. But a proposed rule by the Department of Health and Human Services would allow foster care and adoption agencies to reject LGBTQ families on religious grounds. The move would also apply to other programs receiving federal grants, including those that help with HIV prevention or homelessness.
What this rule does is it eliminates the number of willing and loving and safe families for children who are in need of homes, and that to me is very troubling.
Proponents of the new rule dispute that claim. Travis Weber is with the Family Research Council, a Christian advocacy group.
This really just allows a bigger pool of organizations and parents who can pick from an organization that aligns with their own beliefs and philosophy on the family and on where a child should be placed.
In a statement, the Family Equality Council, an advocacy group for LGBTQ families, said the rule will further limit the pool of loving homes available to America's 440,000 children living in foster care and puts providers' interest in discriminating over the needs of youth in care.
It's really unfair to call someone's long-held religious beliefs to classify that as discrimination. It's very important that these organizations have the ability to place these children and still operate according to their convictions.
A 2018 study from UCLA found an estimated 114,000 same-sex couples were raising children in the U.S. in 2016. The report showed that same-sex couples are more likely than different-sex couples to be raising adopted children.
I think this issue is really bigger than politics. This is about children, and we are supposed to protect these children, not implement rules that hurt them.
Now, the proposed rule could reportedly be published in the Federal Register as early as today, and that would be followed by a 30-day comment period. Gayle?
Boy, hope they can work something out there. Thank you very much, Jan.